Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back. I feel like it's been such a long time since I put a DIY video out, or like a crafting home decor DIY out. It's been a while. I'm glad to be back. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing some DIY kitchen countertop decor, and I am super excited to decorate our new kitchen. I am using Dollar Tree stuff and stuff from Amazon as well. If this is your first time here, welcome and thank you so much for joining me. I would love it if you became part of the DIY family by subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. I do want to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by ShopTagger. Anytime I do sponsored videos, just know that it helps my channel, and then also it helps support my family, so I really appreciate you guys sticking around for that. So I will tell you guys a little bit about ShopTagger. So ShopTagger is a mobile and web app that helps you find coupons, and it also notifies you anytime items on your list go on sale or come back in stock. You can shop from thousands of brands and stores, and you can also create lists to make it easier for you when you shop. So I have one list, which is my kitchen decor. You guys already know I'm redoing my kitchen and I'm super excited to do that. But I'm also going to be adding a living room decor list because we also redid our floor. So I'm trying to save money any way I can because the kitchen and floor remodel cost a pretty penny. So I already have some saved items in my list, but I'm going to go over here and search for overstock. That will take you directly to the website. I'm going to search for kitchen lighting and just kind of browse around to see anything that I would like for my own kitchen. And I did see this really cute chandelier. So I'm going to actually add it to my list and save it to my kitchen decor. So yeah, you'll see that little blue icon pop up in the corner. And then when you open it, you can choose to be notified when there's a price change, and you can update that. So I actually already got a notification, and I'm going into that notification saying that the price did go down on this rug that I really, really like. So going into my cart, I have the chandelier and the rug. So I'm gonna go into checkout. So just like any website, you go in there, you check out, but before you do check out, this little box pops up saying they're going to be testing some codes, trying to find you the best deal out there on your little shopping trip to the online store. So anyways, it did find some coupons. As you can see, there's also promotional savings on there. So there was a total of about $56 that was taken off of that purchase. And $50 is $50 because I do not like paying full price on anything. To download ShopTagger, make sure you guys follow the link below, create your account, sign in. This is going to take you to the Connect Now button, which will take you to the Chrome Web Store. Add it to Chrome, add extension, and you're all set. All right, let's get on to the DIYs. All right, so this one is technically not a Dollar Tree. I am going to be repurposing these little pieces of flooring that I have left over, and I already trimmed the edges and everything. I am going to put some glue in there so that it doesn't come apart, and I'm just going to be using some no, this is not E6000 glue. This is hot glue. I haven't done this in so long that I don't even remember what my glue is called. I'm just going to glue these pieces on here so that it doesn't bend. If I do put something heavy on this, it's not just going to snap in the center. Your heart is gonna find a way. Don't you worry now, but setting love free. Yeah. So these are paint sticks, and these I purchased through Amazon. I will link them down below. And then I also have this package of wooden beads that I purchased from Amazon. I will also link that down below. They're little ones, and then there's different sizes. I thought they were going to be a little bit bigger when I got them, but I guess they're an okay size. I'm going to be using this paint sample from Lowe's, alpaca or something. I don't know. It's like a grayish color. But you know, I was going to use this for my wall, but it ended up looking like purple, like a purple undertone. So no thank you. We're just gonna move it along and use it for this. And I feel like the paint tone on this kind of matches this flooring also. So I think it'll be nice. So for this one, I'm going to take 2 of these Dollar Tree vases. They're just like the plastic ones. I'm not going to do too much to them. I'm just going to give it a little coat of paint. You guys will see what I'll do. So I'm going to cover this little area right here. I'm going to go paint it, but then afterwards I'm going to cover this part right here so you don't see the glue. And I'll be using some of this Dollar Tree cotton twine and also some of these wooden beads. So I spray painted the vases black, but it's taking quite a bit to dry, and actually I'm not sure if it's going to dry completely or not. So if you guys can see, some of it is already matte and then the rest is kind of shiny, and it's been sitting there for like, I don't know, 45 minutes to an hour. And you guys already know I'm impatient when it comes to paint. So what I'm going to do is take some of this Dollar Tree chalk paint and just kind of tap it over. Hopefully that'll help it dry, at least like the front part of it. We'll see if it works.
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back while I'm on a one-way track. Now I know.
So for this one, I'm gonna take one of these terracotta plates. I don't know, these are from Walmart. This is painted with a mixture of plaster of Paris and a paint. I'm gonna glue it together and then paint it with some white. If you guys hear some humming in the background, my fan is blowing because it's so hot in here right now. So hot.
What it means to grow old. Yeah, now I know the time I've got, it is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just enough to get by.
Okay, so for this one, I'll be using this Dollar Tree sign, and I'm going to remove the top sign and make my own through Canva. So I like using the Canva app on my mobile. It makes it really easy, but I feel like I get the most out of it if I use it through my desktop. So anyways, I'm just going to do mobile right now, and I'm going to do a custom dimension sign, and it's weird that it only lets me do it in pixels on here. On the desktop or laptop, it lets me do by inches. So I'm just gonna, do 480 by 480 pixels, which when I printed it, I actually had to resize it because it was a little bit too big. So anyways, I'm gonna go in here and just enter my own text, and it's really easy to use this app, you guys, and you guys can pretty much make any type of sign that you'd like. I've been using this for a couple of years now, and I use the free version. Of course, if you want more stuff or if you want to take watermarks off, you do have to buy the premium or whatever. If you guys haven't signed up for Canva, I'm going to link it down below, but if you guys do sign up for Canva through my link, I do get credits, you guys, which allows me to make more of these signs and, get some of the watermark free pictures. Anyways, so right here I'm just doing Made with Love. I think you guys saw what the font was. Made with was the Antonio Light or something, and then Love was BB Script. So I'm going to go in here and actually search for utensils because this is going to go in the kitchen. And I do see some that I like, but right off the bat I saw this little green one with a spoon and fork. And this one is, it does have a watermark, as you guys can see. But once I go ahead and download it, it's going to ask me to use a credit or pay for it or whatever. So then I'll go in there and add my shape, and I am going to add a border on here. So I'll kind of let you guys watch what I'm doing, and like I mentioned, it's super simple, so I will link it down below. I will link it down below for you guys to sign up.
Sometimes I understand I'm making all the wrong demands in life. It never pays in the end, but still I am here, moving on like before. I'm yearning to reach the shore. Now I know what it means to grow.
So that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I'm so glad to be back. If you did enjoy this video, I would love it if you guys gave me a thumbs up. Leave me any comments down below. Don't forget to check out ShopTagger. The links are down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Yeah, it is just enough to get